my love, this is your girl. Yep, I look a little hot mess. Hair is everywhere. But if you've seen the video previously, is it previously? Or it might be with this video. But we are going, no, it's going to be a separate video. So it'll be the video before this. I did the unboxing of this wig and I showed you how to make a wig. Well, sort of kind of something like how I made a wig. I just gave you the basics on it, but this hair was sent to me from my Amazon company vendor. So with that being said, we're gonna not drag this on. If you see like some straps, I have on a waist trainer, a bra, and a shirt. I don't mind getting wet because we're about to wet my hair. But we're gonna get ready with me, starting with put some vitamin E on first, because I already washed my face and all that stuff there, prepped my eyebrows, and totally forgot to put on vitamin E. Not sponsored. The reason why I'm putting on a lot is because by the time I get to doing my makeup, you won't see oily skin. Well, in the previous video, if you watched it, this is a 4x4 floor. This is a 4x4 closure. It's just curly hair. And I love the way vitamin E smells. It smells so good. Let's put it on my little 51-year-old hands. That's 51 hands. 51 years old. That's my hands. I'm so... The lighting, I guess it's okay. Anyway, I'm just trying to rub it in. Get it off my hands. So what we're going to do next is create some kind of hairline right here. And we're going to use the Got2b Glue Ultra Glued Invisible Styling Gel. That's what we're using. And it's by, I can't see the words. But anyway, we're going to create that. We're going to cue the music. No, we're going to, I don't know. I'm kind of doing this. I've been like seriously busy all day, and so now we're gonna take some. Okay, so now we're gonna take some moisturizer wrapping lotion, and it's in a foam. I love this. I use this for a lot of my hair wigs. And what we're going to do with this is just put it in the middle part right here, just to get it to lay. Well, so my part can show it at least. There we go. We got the part. See the part? I didn't pluck the closure at all. Now, we got that part done. We're gonna part it in sections. And we're going to use water and about that much of moisturizer. So, thank you for watching. This is your girl Taba Love Diva, and let me know in the description box how you like this hair. So far I am loving it. It's a 20-inch, 18-inch, 16-inch, and a 14-inch closure, and I'm liking it. We're just gonna see how it looks when it dries. Maybe to give me a little bit more volume. I couldn't think of the word, but it gave me a little bit more volume. So do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe.